another new product, the EX-WP-STX. So another single gang wall plate here. Last one keypad, this one being an an HDMI extender using our proprietary UHD over twisted pair technology.
You know, Jonathan, from the time I came on board at KeyDigital, the number one question I would get is, when are you going to have a single gang HDMI wall plate transmitter?
Yeah.
And so we finally came out with it. This one has got our own proprietary technology. The technology is cool enough to work in a single gang without cooking the product over months and months of use. And it's not just HDMI. It's HDMI and USB-C video input. So you can take that source out of, say, a MacBook, out their USB-C video out, and switch it right there on the wall plate and pass IR. It's just amazing.